celebration begin. Hi guys, my name is Dikshita and welcome to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, then please make sure that you subscribe. So I am back with day 2 of hashtag 7 days of D, which is a series going on in which I'll upload one video every day from 7th November to 13th November. Now if you've missed out on the day 1 video, then I'll link it in the description bar. And now for today's video, this one is super special for me. It's very close to my heart because this is a Diwali lookbook. Now if you don't know, I started my channel with a Diwali lookbook. I've been doing it for 2 years now, and I'll link the previous 2 ones in the description bar as well. Although I'm not gonna lie, the first one is pretty embarrassing, but I'll still recommend you to watch it. And now for today's video also, I'll show you a few outfits that I've created by mixing and matching quite a lot of pieces that I already own, and I've borrowed some from my mother as well. So I hope you like it, and without wasting more of your time, let's just get started. Hi guys, so for the first outfit, this is the base that I've created. Now the kurta is part of a suit set, and I've paired this with another palazzo which is actually part of another suit set. So I've mixed both of these together because of their colors basically. I think these colors go really well together. And then for my dupatta, the dupatta is the best part of this outfit. I got this really pretty fulkai dupatta from my mom, and I think it really matches with the entire base outfit. Now for my jewelry, I went with this gold choker, and this one has small red stone set in it which really matches the kurta and dupatta. And for the earrings, the necklace came with its own earrings जो कि मैंने पहने हैं. And yes, this is the final outfit. I think this is such a pretty outfit, and ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये सब pieces साथ में ही थे, but all three of them are different. And I completed the look with these colorful juttis, and this is the final look. Now for the second outfit, first I wore this kurta that I got from W. And for the palazzo is actually part of the previous kurta that you've seen. ये दोनों साथ में थे, and I paired this palazzo with this kurta specifically because kurte में बहुत beautiful wine maroon color का work है which really matches with the palazzo. Now I really like the cut of this kurta. For the neckline इसमें collar type का है which makes it a little formal. So I decided to tuck it inwards and थोड़ा सा एक V type का हो जाता है जो थोड़ा informal casual look आता है. And for my earrings, I went with my favorite jhumkas. I just love these jhumkas. Now my wrist feels very bare, so I went with this rose gold pink tone mein bangles that really matches the kurta. And this is the final look. I completed it with gold kolhapuris, and I really like how it turned out. Now moving on to the third one, I actually had this sharara for a long time, but इसके साथ कोई मेरे पास कुर्ता नहीं था, so I got a kurta in blue grey tone stitched by my local tailor. So I think the kurta and the palazzo goes really well together. And to complete the look, I added gold dupatta to it because इसमें dupatta add करना is very important. I don't like sharara suit sets without dupatta. So for this one, I want to add dupatta. I want to drape the dupatta in this way, as you can see here. And I completed this outfit with blue high heels, and उससे काफी अच्छा look आ गया है. I love playing with this dupatta, and I really like how the outfit is turning out to be so far. Now to complete the outfit, I again went for a few bangles, gold bangles in my wrist. You can even wear watch with it, and the same jhumkas, and this is the final outfit. Now moving on to the next outfit. This one again is very pretty. So I have this kurta, maxi kurta dress, and I can wear this as a dress or with dupatta and everything. So here I decided to wear it as a dress to keep this outfit more casual. Now this one has this patla sa thread around it जिसको you can tie around your waist and cinch your waist in. And for this one, I want to really go with silver jewelry because I think yellow and silver also really looks good. So I went with a choker, some jhumki earrings, and these bangles in my wrist. I just love how these bangles look. I got them recently from my local market, and they're so pretty. And yes, don't forget to complete the look with red lipstick, and you'll be good to go. This is the final look. Just add some gold highlighter, good red lipstick, and you're done. Also, if you wear an outfit like this, don't forget to twirl around in it and get a lot of pictures clicked. And now moving on to the next one. For this one, I have this kurta again from I think from quite a while now. I showed this in one of my videos 2 years ago, which is a long time. Now for this kurta. It's very simple. It has very little gold work on it. So I paired it with these gold beige palazzos. बहुत simple सा outfit है so far. Since this has gold work on it, I wanted to go with gold dupatta and I have this really flowy Georgette का gold dupatta and I draped it around my neck like this, and इससे I don't even need a neck piece with it, which is the best thing. I complete the look with really big statement earrings because बाकी का जो outfit it's very simple, and some bangles, and you can even wear a watch with it, and this is the final look. Again, in an outfit like this, which is a little simple, you should accessorize it heavily and go for red lipstick, good highlighter, a bindi maybe, and this is the final. And now moving on to the final outfit of this video, I have this orange kurta that I got from Ajio. Now for this one, I paired it with white pants. White pants were checkered and with gold checks on it. And the best thing about this kurta actually is this choker detailing on it. So now because of the choker detailing, obviously I won't wear anything around its neck. So I went with a mang tika with this. And the mang tika is very minimal sa, so it's not too OTT. And this is the final outfit. So I can easily wear it as it is. I think it looks complete. But then I wanted to go a step further and add a dupatta with it. So I added this white and yellow dupatta, and I think it really matches the color scheme of this outfit, and completed the look again with golden juttis, Kolhapuris. And this is the final outfit. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And with this we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Now if you liked it, then please give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on this red button to subscribe and then click on the bell sign too. Also, this is my Instagram handle. You can follow me there. And please tell me in the comment section which was your favorite outfit from this video. Also, how are you liking the series so far? And I'm super excited for you to watch the remaining videos of this series. So make sure 13 तक आप रोज सुबह 11 बजे चैनल पे जरूर आना to watch all the videos. And now I'll see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye.